Hey guys, welcome back. So the Z Fold 4 is back in the news. Some of the famous tipsters have shared accurate spec sheet for this folding beast. Further, some new case image and accurate render photos have been leaked on Twitter, which gives us a hint why this smartphone will feel lighter this year. But before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So as you know, the previous gen Galaxy Z Fold 3 was pretty heavy to hold in a single hand. Users were facing issues holding the smartphone for a longer run. So Samsung has decided to reduce the Z Fold 4's weight approximately by 17 grams, means where the Z Fold 3 weighs around 271 grams, here the Z Fold 4 will weigh around 254 grams. I know this isn't that much of a lighter, but do know that when you hold this type of huge device for multiple hours, the reduction of every single gram matter. So the 17 grams will help users to hold their devices even for longer time. Also, this huge folding phone will be closer to the iPhone 13 Pro Max weight, which is around 240 grams. This means the weight of the folding phones is no longer a disadvantage. Now this weight reduction is totally possible due to the reduction of the metal hinge design. You can clearly see in this photo that Samsung did some major hinge improvements on the Z Fold 4. It also allows Samsung to provide extra display area and make the outer screen more like a squarish form. Anyways, talking about the spec sheet, in my previous video, I have already shared full specifications of the phone by other tipster. But now, ICE himself gave 100% confirmation to this full spec details except some features. Like there won't be any 16 gigs of RAM variant for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, there won't be any newer under-display selfie shooter, but they have improved it by adding more than double pixel on the top of the under-display camera. And lastly, the telephoto sensor is of 10 megapixel instead of 12 megapixel sensor. So yeah, full specifications are now confirmed, and you guys let me know what do you feel about this. Now here is another case comparison from ICE Universe showing the cutout for the outer display, which will be wider on the Z Fold 4 compared to the Z Fold 3's case cover. And again, this gives us a hint that the next gen folding phone will have close to squarish form factor. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you feel about this? If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.